And welcome to the Fir Studio here. We have an easy code that you enter to get into the studio. And as you come in, you can see there's the bed, TV, and there is a washer and dryer. And you can see the kitchen over there with a pull-out couch that we have as the bed. It's a twin size. Enables people to sleep 3 people in here. We always like to have chocolates from See's Candy, as well as a little sign welcoming them with flowers from our garden. As you can see, it comes with a toaster oven, microwave, electric stove with special pots and pans that people can cook on, no oven, regular knives. Then you have your coffee maker, and then you have your refrigerator here with a freezer, ice maker, and then your restroom. Nice and spacious, able to take a decent shower, stand-in shower there with the towels and floor mat and the regular sink, vanity. We also have a door for or a storage area closet that has extra comforters for those who stay and bring guests, but also we have your steamer for your clothes, an extra fan, but we also have towels and hand towels and washcloths as well. A little area that you can study. There's a little antique desk and art. Here, you can see in here, for us, is the washer and dryer, which is very nice when you're traveling to have a place to wash your clothes and do that. You also can come out here and you can see your beautiful view of the garden if you want. Come and look out there. People really have enjoyed seeing the garden. And that's your view. So, lovely place to do your laundry, stay a couple of days and enjoy your time in South San Francisco. But this is our studio. Thanks so much for your time.